Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this professional industrial endoscope or borescope, DEPSTECH. So here we got the manual, we've got a USB-C, or no, this is micro USB cable. Here's the actual microscope. This is model number DS300. Looks like we can put a card in there. There's where you're going to charge up the battery and an SD card. You got to push that and it should pop out. So it does come with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card that you're going to put in like this. No, you got to put it in upside down, sorry. Push it in, it should click into place. Now it doesn't come with the wall adapter, but you're going to have to charge it up. Okay, so I've got this plugged in. Again, this will only go one way, so you gotta make sure and put it in right. Okay. Here's what the end of the endoscope. Now that's rigid, but you can bend it, but it is kind of stiff. Let's take a look. Side camera, front camera with light. You know, that section right there is 1.5 inches long. About a 1/2 inch from the camera. Okay, press the power button here and we're going to turn it on and it starts working right away. Okay, let's go over some basic features. So we've got the 180 button. You can rotate the picture 180 degrees depending on where this rotation is, you know, depending on where the camera is. So see, there's perfect, then that's upside down. Now if I long press this, same 180 degree button, it's going to go to the side camera. Now we're coming out the side. I'm long pressing this 180 degree button. Now long press it again, it goes to split screen. I got the front and the side. Long press it again, and it goes to the front facing camera. I can turn the LED off, down. That's what the plus and minus for is here. I can turn it off. I can take a picture by pressing that once. That's a photo. If I long press it, then it starts recording. See the little recording. Then to long press it again, and it stops. But so buttons do multiple things. Let's look at the let's look at the clarity. So let's take a look. There's that sign. There's what it looks like in the video. I'm going to hold this up. So there's what it looks like in the video. Yeah, pretty clear, I guess. How close can it get? Okay, I'm going to hold this really close to the box and we're going to zoom in. Yeah, you can get pretty close to things and you can still see it. You can see right here. See, that's how close I'm getting. And you can still, let's turn the LED light down. There's the LED light off. So you can see I can get pretty close and still focus. That's what I was really wanting. I wanted to get super close and still be able to focus. Yeah, look how close that is to the tape measure, and I can still see. Then I just rotate that. There, now it's right side up. So this looks like it's battery powered. I've got it unplugged now. SD card, looks pretty nice. I'm super excited to start using it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.